for this XSS game, or this, I guess, Google XSS game, which is level 6. So how do we solve this challenge? How do we do this challenge? So one of the first things you want to be able to do is look at, it couldn't load the gadget from static gadget.js. So we'll just go on inspect like we did last time, and then go on network and see what happens if we reload this page, and how did they get that part. So static gadget, so static is the source. It just loads up the source code, game.js. Nope, that loads up, I guess, the game side of it. Yeah, I don't know. Level 6 maybe? Just loads that up again. Oh, the frame. Alright, then we got the frame. So we couldn't load the gadget from static.gadget.js. So what is this going on? So if we view page source, we see that it's loading up, I guess, some kind of internal file, which is static gadget.js. To take the value after and use it as a gadget file name. So this is, I guess, where we had to input everything after the hashtag. Okay, but the weird thing is, if you check right here, it says this will prevent from loading evil URLs. So this prevents from loading from HTTPS. So we can't, I guess, load up, I guess, sites for the most part. So if we try loading up like HTTPS google.com, it shouldn't work. Try. It's trying to load it, but I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, it's trying to load it, but it's not gonna work. So how do we do this? How could we, I guess, inject JavaScript framework to work? Because I guess if we try just doing what, random payloads, JavaScript, and then alert one, something like that, and then we just refresh. Couldn't load gadget from JavaScript alert 1. So how do we do this? Because the reason why this didn't happen, because it tried loading it from HTTPS, it tried loading this entire thing. So how do we do this? So one way we could do this is by simply using something called a way to send JavaScript. We could send JavaScript, but without having the need of, I guess, without using HTTP. So how do we do this? So we could basically send JavaScript code just by simply typing in data at the end of it. So it sends the data as a text file, and the text that we're gonna be sending is basically the JavaScript code. So JavaScript, and then we're gonna do a comma alert, and then we're just gonna close this off. So if we do something like this, it should alert. Yeah, congratulations, you executed alert. You can now advance to the next level and press OK, and then okay. But it gets stuck. But if we go back right here, it doesn't work, or nothing happened, because I guess it was in that small little frame. We need it to happen right here. So what I'll do next is just simply copy this right here, and this is just for sending the data in text form and using JavaScript alert. That's where we're sending it. So if I just copy this entire thing and paste right here, we should be able to solve this challenge pretty easily for the most part. So if I press that and then press go, congratulations, you executed an alert. You can now advance to the next level. So, and it says right here, it is very tricky. Allowing users to influence the URL when loading scripts is such as, and then press OK, and now well done, thanks for debrief. So you have successfully completed the game. How do you like the game overall? I loved it. How was it difficult? Just right. While breaking these things, it is fun. It's enough to know how to prevent XSS. For a gentle introduction to the topic XSS, take a look at our documentation. Then I guess it gives us like, welcome to Bug Hunter University. Yeah, so this, I guess, for bug hunters, for like, I don't know, be trying to be part of the Google leaderboard. But yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Is mostly just, I guess, understanding that with this challenge we had to find a way of like loading it up. In this case, sometimes I have to load JavaScript. Okay, allowing users to input influence, but this time they banned it. And I guess if you look at the hints, see how the value of the location after URL. So yeah, so we noticed that. So is the security check on the gadget really foolproof? Sometimes when I'm frustrated, I like screaming. If you can't easily host your own JS, see if Google JS will help you there. So I tried doing the host your own evil JS file, and I tried it using GitHub. I wasn't able to get it to work. So that'll be cool if you guys are able to host your own JS file and able to load it. But in my case, I wasn't able to load mine. But anyway, that's about it for me. Hope you guys learned something new. I know I did, and it's a pretty fun challenge. And this video series is done, and I just want to say thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, peace.